In my opinion, one of the biggest disappointments of this entire Kuwait arc has been the lack of cooking videos and new recipes. You would think that traveling to a whole new part of the world, Foodie would manage to come up with some new recipes and people to cook with, but no. In last night's stream, she was actually pretty candid about why we don't see her in the kitchen very much. Here's what she had to say.
Why don't you cook more? Salah worked so hard on your custom kitchen. I don't know. I just like takeout. It's because honestly, it's like so much tastier. Like for rice and chicken, it's cheaper to just order it when it comes with everything: a drink, salad, rice that's perfectly made, meat that's perfectly grilled. And I do cook once in a while, maybe like once a week or something. Mostly, I don't. Okay, for suppers we order, but for example, if I wanted to order out every single day in Canada, it would cost me like $3,000, like probably about $2,500 to $3,000 a month on takeout food. Now here, if we ordered out every single day, it would only cost like $400, like the equivalent of $400. So that's like grocery budget is like more, So like, why am I gonna put myself through that sweaty effort, you know? So. It's not the same at all. Like that fish dinner, like that's super cheap for the two of us to eat. Like, and it came with everything. It was so tasty. There's, I can't make fish like that. I don't know.
Okay, so health benefits aside, one of the big things about ordering in versus making your own food is that ordering in is supposed to be a lot more expensive than buying your own groceries. So I thought we'd stop here and poke a few holes in Foodie's theory. I went ahead and pulled up the Latifa Cafe website for Fahahil and typed in their breakfast order. They had pistachio pancakes with strawberries and 2 large Arabic coffees, which came out to 6 Kuwaiti dinar. Now, in Canadian dollars, this comes out to $26.67. So if you had this breakfast just 4 times a month, then that's already over $100. And remember, Foodie was still hungry after this and said that she could have eaten the pancakes all by herself. So, you do the math. Remember that KFC combo meal with a giant sandwich and a couple of chicken tenders? Well, that meal cost 4 Kuwaiti dinar, or almost 18 Canadian dollars. So even the fast food is pretty expensive. So, while Foodie was being open and honest about how she felt about cooking, it was interesting to see how Salah reacted. He wasn't supportive exactly. He's going the teasing route with her, but just take a look.
Make Salah your Mexican rice. Oh, you remember my Mexican rice? It's so good, isn't it? Stan, I dress being baby Vegas.
What is Mexican rice?
Well, did you like my capsa rice?
Yeah.
Okay. So Mexican rice is like a Mexican style rice. It has like peppers and tomatoes, and it's like very delicious. I can make it for you someday.
Someday? When this will be? When the someday will be?
Inshallah.
Inshallah? The next year or the next decade?
We'll see.
Or the next century?
Maybe 3-year anniversary.
What? WTF? What?
I'm a good cook. Thanks, Barb. Can I call you Barb?
Yeah, she cooked very well, but it's barely to cook.
Yeah, I know.
The potato face again? No way, not again.
The potato face. So you're not cooking at all? Okay, when I cook, it's like Indomie or chicken nuggets. Sometimes potatoes in the air fryer. I make really good potatoes. I cut up potatoes, put olive oil, put some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, lots of spices, a bit of curry powder. Put them in the air. The air fryer is amazing. You can cook like anything in there. It's so great. Okay, so.
It's coming.
So drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think about all of this. Will Foodie's little vacation from the kitchen do anything to her relationship? I'd love to hear from you.